teaching you how to weave a nail steel knot red rope bracelet. Take 2 of the number 7 lines. Each length is 150 centimeters long. Reserve 17 centimeters at the beginning. The rope below is looped upwards. The other rope is looped around the index finger. It is threaded through the loop and the loop is tightened. Flip the coils below upwards. Hold the outward rope straight and loop it. Pass through the coil and tighten the coil above. In order, flip the coils below upwards. Hold the outward rope straight, loop it through and tighten the coil above. Continue to wind the rope of the coil tied at the bottom upwards and outwards. Pass through the coil tightly and tighten the upper coil. The back is just a continuous repetition of this kind of weaving. This method is called the King Kong knot. Continue weaving the doje knot until we reach the desired wrist length. Once we've woven to the desired wrist size, this is the effect. Tighten the rope. When finishing the bracelet, directly cross the 2 ends of the rope, add a small piece of rope, and place it at the cross section. Then overlap from the right, press from the left to the right, pass through and tighten. Please continue to hook up on the left, press the right to the left, and tighten through. This knot method is called a flat knot. The following is a complete splicing method for both the left and right. There's no need to knot many at the end, about 3 to 4 complete flat cuts will do. I usually make 3 complete cross sections. Trim the excess rope after tying it. Then use our lighter to melt and glue the rope in to prevent it from unraveling. This way our bracelet stretch adjustment is done and it is easy for us to adjust the length. At a distance of 5 centimeters from the rope head, pinch the rope below to make an upward circle. The other rope makes a finger loop and passes through the loop, tightening the upper loop. Actually, it's also a King Kong knot here, but you don't have to tie a lot. Approximately 2 full King Kong rings can make the bracelet part. You will weave here, and here will be woven in the same way. After knitting, trim the rope end directly. The other end of the sticky rope is treated the same way. This is how it looks after completion. A beautiful diamond knot bracelet is completed. Friends who have learned, hurry up and give it a try.